Hello, and thank you for choosing Keekso AutoML. In this video, we will create a single class model for anomaly detection. We will begin by creating a single class classification project and select Renesas RA6M3ML sensor module as the target hardware. We will then begin data collection and create a new environment for the same. We will configure the accelerometer and gyroscope sensors to 1600 Hz with an FSR of 2G for the accelerometer and 125 degrees per second for the gyroscope. The data collection library will be automatically built and flashed to the device so that we can begin data collection. Since this is a single class model, we only need to collect data for one class, that is the normal class. We will wait for the machine to reach 1500 RPM before initiating data collection. After collecting data, we will proceed to train the machine learning models. Select Automatic Sensor and Feature Group Selection and proceed to define the instance length and the classification interval. Here, we choose the local outlier factor and the isolation forest algorithms for training. We can see here that the isolation forest model has a good cross-validation and latency performance. We will flash this model to our device for live testing. As the simulator reaches 1500 RPM, which is the speed at which we recorded the data, we can see that the model detects the system state as normal. Now, we add a screw to the edge of the normal rotor to create an imbalance. Once the simulator reaches 1500 RPM, which is the speed at which we recorded the original data, we see that the simulator detects a non-normal state. We now replace the imbalanced rotor with the eccentric rotor on the simulator. At 1500 RPM, the model detects a non-normal state. The eccentric rotor is replaced back with the normal rotor. At 1500 RPM, the model detects a normal state. We will now replace the shaft on the simulator with a bend shaft. Once the bend shaft is fixed on the simulator, we add the normal rotor. At 1500 RPM, the model is successfully able to detect that this is a non-normal state.